Question 25. 42 centilitres equals some mystery number of millilitres. Now then, centilitres aren't often used in the UK. We often use millilitres and litres, but centilitres, something that we don't often use. It's more used in Europe on things like bottles of wine and glasses of wine and things like that. So, but we can still do it. That's not a problem. So what we need to remember is you should know the relationship between centimeters and millimeters. And if you know that relationship, it's the same relationship between centiliters and milliliters. So let's talk about centimeters, millimeters first. So in 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. So in 2 centimeters, there would be 20 millimeters. So what you're actually doing to go from centimeters to millimeters, you're timesing by 10. So if you've got an amount of centimeters, to get to millimeters, you times by 10. And that works because 1 centimeter times 10 is 10 millimeters. 2 centimeters times 10 is 20 millimeters. And if you're going the opposite direction, you just do the opposite thing. So if you're going in reverse from millimeters to centimeters, you do the opposite of times 10, which is divide by 10. So 20 millimeters divided by 10 is 2 centimeters. 10 millimeters divided by 10 is 1 centimeter. And it's exactly the same relationship over on centiliters to milliliters. So centiliters to milliliters is times 10, and milliliters back to centiliters is the opposite, divide by 10. And now we've got that knowledge, we can work this out. So 42 centiliters, we are putting centiliters into this side of the little conversion diagram, 42. And to get that into milliliters, we've got to jump over this arrow here, which is basically times by 10. So 42 times 10 is going to be 420. And that's the answer, 420 milliliters.